One hot summer day, a hungry fox was walking through the forest. His stomach was empty and he was very tired. Suddenly, the fox saw a beautiful bunch of grapes hanging from a vine. The grapes were plump, juicy, and shining in the sun. Mmm, delicious grapes. I must have them, the fox thought. He stood on his back legs and jumped high, but he missed. He tried again and again. He jumped as high as he could, but the grapes were too high. Finally, the fox gave up. He turned away and said loudly, "Those grapes are probably sour anyway. I don't want them." And with that, he walked away with his nose in the air. So what can we learn from this story? The fox pretended not to like the grapes because he couldn't reach them. This is a perfect example of sour grapes. In life, when we fail to get something, we sometimes say it's not important, but deep inside, we still want it. So don't give up too easily. Try harder next time. Now it's your turn. What do you think about the fox's decision? Have you ever said, "It's not important" when you couldn't get something? Share your story in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English stories.